Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. This is a wall decor which is made on wood and is very vibrantly colored and will definitely brighten up your space. I have put it up on the wall of my home which was empty for quite some time now, and it has brought beauty and elegance to my decor and is attracting everyone's attention. This decor has two main parts. One is the base, which is made up of these horizontal and vertical wooden strips. The second part is square pieces on which I have made these circles. There are 54 such pieces in this decor. So let's begin with our first part, that is the base grid. For this we need wooden sticks like these, which are approximately of 5 mm thickness. They are easily available at any ply or a hardware shop. For this we need 6 horizontal and 9 vertical sticks of the length mentioned. We will begin with measuring the sticks of the required length. Mark the size with a pen. Now we'll cut the excess length with a cutter, which is again easily available at any ply or hardware shop and is quite reasonable. Cutting is also quite hassle-free and easy. All you need to do is just move your cutter to and fro. And see, this is done. Once all the pieces are ready, place the horizontal strips on the floor as per the image so that they have different starting points and they are 2.5 inches apart. Fix the sticks to the floor with an Ebro tape so that they don't move. Start placing the vertical sticks so that there is a minimum distance of at least 3 inches from the starting point. Place all the vertical steps one by one at an equal distance, and now glue the horizontal as well as the vertical sticks together. I have used Fevicol SH as it binds the wooden sticks together permanently. Once done, let it dry completely. After that, we need to give a coat of wood varnish to give it a gloss. Now we'll begin with the second part, for which we need 3 by 3 inch square ply or MDF pieces. File them with the sandpaper so that there are no sharp edges. Once done, we'll apply a coat of white gesso on all our pieces to prepare the base before coloring. Apply the gesso on the edges as well. I've cut a circle of 3 cm radius on a paper. Keep this on the center of the square piece, equal distance from the sides, and mark the outline. Now draw the design on the inside of the circle as shown in the video. Let's start with the coloring part now. For this we need lots and lots of acrylic colors in various shades. I've used here yellow, maroon and light green colors. Using a flat brush, we'll start coloring the design. Now fill the inside of the circle with some bright color. Using the edge of the flat brush, give a circular shape. For every square piece, we need 3 shades. Some of the shades I have used by mixing the colors or adding white to them. Now it's time to color the remaining part of the square. For some shades, you might need to give a second coat as well. Do it after the first coat dries properly. Color the edges as well and prepare all the 54 pieces in a similar manner. Place these square pieces on the base grid, and now it's time to glue them together, keeping equal distance between the two pieces. A closer look of the painting. And now the painting is ready to hang on the wall. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos and click the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video with some new explorations. Till then, bye-bye.